You can install new wall cabinets in your kitchen without hiring a professional and save money. However, it is a fairly advanced project and plan on it taking an entire day to complete. The most important aspect of the project is to check that the cabinets are level and plumb often throughout the project. Snap a chalk line on the wall to mark the bottom of where the cabinets will be installed. Attaching a board to the wall along the line will give you a stable ledge to support the cabinets while installing them. As you install the cabinets, one at a time across the line, clamp each cabinet to the previously installed one. This will allow you to shim as needed to make it level and plumb. Drive screws through the cabinet to attach them to the wall studs to ensure the cabinets can support weight. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.